Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal easy method. Measure 1 cup rolled oats and 2 cups liquid, then heat on medium and stir gently. Use water for a lighter bowl or milk for creamier results. Add a pinch of salt early to enhance flavor. Cook until the oats thicken and reach your desired texture, then remove from heat and let rest for a minute before serving. Start by laying out all ingredients and tools so cooking flows smoothly. Use a medium saucepan to prevent boiling over and a wooden spoon to stir without scratching. Measure liquids with standard cups and keep toppings nearby for quick assembly. If you prefer thicker oatmeal, reduce liquid slightly. For thinner, add a splash while cooking. Preparing toppings ahead saves time and makes the final bowl more appealing and flavorful. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite fits perfectly on a breakfast table and makes reading while your oatmeal cools a cozy habit. It's lightweight, easy to hold, and great for recipes or reading on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Heat your chosen liquid to a gentle simmer and immediately stir in the oats to prevent clumping. Keep stirring every 30 seconds so the oats cook evenly and release starch for creaminess. Watch the texture closely between minutes 4 and 6 to hit your preferred doneness. After removing from heat, let the oatmeal rest 1 minute so it thickens slightly. Finish with favorite toppings for flavor, texture, and a professional-looking bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.